Hey everybody, Ric Johnson with Alarm Guys. I just wanted to talk briefly about the residential stuff that's happening in the area. A lot of crime has been happening because of this recession and because other things are happening. Two key factors. One is the recession. People are doing things they normally wouldn't do. And second is because of the budget cuts, the police officers are being laid off. If you look at Sheriff McGinnis's report, about $100 million off their budget, 40% of staff laid off, and about twice as much crime this year as it was last year. If you need your system upgraded or a new system installed, give me a call. Again, Rick with Alarm Guys. Visit our website or call me directly. Have a great day.